Moving right along to step-by-step 2.5. Did any of you catch the mistake I made? Well, we would know by now if you did, because you would have got checked off for 2.4 and I would have at least pointed it out, or you would have pointed it out to me. Stephen Valdez found the error earlier before you're watching this video now, and so I am going to show you how to fix it if you did it like the video. But anytime you do these step-by-steps, make sure you follow the book. If I make a mistake and you catch it, like Stephen did, he's going to get a big fat reward for that, because that's important. Unless I tell you the book is wrong, you want to do it like the book. So to select a sentence, what key do we hold down? Control. Now what we did, what we were supposed to do was select this sentence, let go of our control key, and move it up here. That's moving it. Notice it's no longer here, it's now here. But if you followed me, you were still holding your control key down, and it copied it just like it did Karen's last name. So all you have to do is select the last sentence and delete it along with the space if you followed me. And this is what it should look like at the beginning of 2.5. Okay, step 1. Select the last sentence. So I just showed you how to do that. What key do you hold down again? The control key. Good. Select your last sentence, and just like if you were going to cut out something on a sheet of paper, they put on this tab in this group a button with a little pair of scissors. So you click the cut button, and that puts it into our clipboard. And then we want to be in front of this sentence and paste. And then we're going to select the green exercise world. Now this one you're just going to have to click and hold until you select both. Make sure you put a space bar in here. I'm sorry. Press the space bar, put a space in before this sentence after the one we just pasted. Okay, so we're going to select the green exercise world and we're going to copy it. Notice there's 2 pieces of paper. This actually removes it. This leaves it but puts a copy of it into our clipboard. And then we want to go to the end of the document. Do you remember what keys to press for that? Control End. So now I'm at the end of my document, and I'm going to click the paste button. Now this is a 2-part button, so make sure you only click the top part, not the bottom. Click the top where the clipboard is, the picture of the clipboard. And notice it pasted it just like it looks here, because this is what we copied, so it pasted what we copied. But we don't want it green down there, so Word gives you, in step 8, right here we have some paste options. We want to drop this down and choose Match Destination Formatting. And a destination, say you were going to go on a trip to Hawaii. I've always wanted to go to Hawaii, or Israel actually. I really want to go to Israel, but those would be my destinations. So that's where you're going to, and so that's where we pasted to. And we want to match the formatting of the destination of where we are, which would match his name, Josh. So if we select that, it changes it to look like what it would look like if we started typing in that destination. Okay. Save your changes and call me over, or my TA. Call someone over to check you off.